back to the WoodTech YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day today, and I wish you and your family a productive and enjoyable day at work. WoodTech is a channel dedicated to woodworking, particularly sawing and transporting wood from the forest. Here we share techniques, tips, and real-life experiences in the wood industry. If you're passionate about this field and want to learn more about the processes, cutting tools, and transportation tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow the channel to stay updated with all the helpful videos. Hope you enjoy the video. Here are the clips showcasing the process of cutting trees, from small to large. The process starts by cutting one side of the trunk to create a guide for the direction in which the tree will fall, helping to control exactly where the tree will land. Then we continue cutting on the opposite side to ensure the trunk falls in the intended spot as safely and precisely as possible. These techniques are crucial when handling large trees, as they help avoid accidents and unwanted damage. In these videos, you will see each step of the cutting process in detail, from preparation to the tree safely falling in the desired direction. After the tree trunks are cut, they are gathered in one place. Then they are tied with cable ropes and pulled out of the forest. The tractor got stuck and couldn't move, despite making several attempts. To resolve the situation, we had to call for help from another vehicle. This vehicle was hooked up with a cable and pulled the tractor out of the stuck position, allowing it to resume its work. This is quite a common situation in wood transportation within forests, especially when the terrain is challenging and there are many obstacles. The man is using a chainsaw to cut down a large tree. He is being very careful during the process, and to ensure that the trunk falls in the right direction, he uses small logs to wedge into the cut section. These logs help guide and control the direction of the fall, preventing the tree from tipping over incorrectly or causing any danger. This is an important technique when dealing with large trees, especially when cutting in areas with many obstacles.
Oh, there she goes.
This is the process of crafting a tree trunk brought out of the forest. First, the logs are placed into the water to reduce friction and facilitate easier transportation. Then, with the help of machinery, the logs are placed onto a wheel axle and moved into a cutting machine. The cutting machine processes each log, slicing them into thin planks or sturdy beams, which are then used for house construction. These planks or beams will be used in subsequent stages of the construction process, ensuring the quality and durability of the building project. Due to the large number of trees on the land, heavy-duty vehicles are used, towing a chain behind them. As the vehicle moves, the chain interacts with the trees, causing them to fall in the direction the vehicle is heading. This is an efficient method to clear the land and quickly clear the forest area. However, this method must be carried out carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding environment and trees. The process of transporting logs from the forest is carried out using specialized vehicles that efficiently move large and heavy logs. These vehicles are specially designed to transport wood with sturdy containers or structures to keep the logs stable during transit. These vehicles can navigate challenging terrains, helping to bring the wood out of the forest and deliver it to wood processing facilities or distribution points. People tie the logs together using cable ropes, then pull them to the collection point. This method is quite clever and convenient, saving time and effort when transporting large logs. Using cables to secure the logs together helps prevent them from falling off during transit. This is a common technique in wood transportation, especially in forest areas with challenging terrain. The man uses a chainsaw to cut each small branch of the tree trunk, carefully controlling the fall of each branch to prevent them from landing in undesired areas. Cutting the branches into smaller sections not only ensures safety, but also makes the tree handling process easier, avoiding accidents that could happen if a large branch falls unexpectedly. This is an essential technique in tree cutting, ensuring the process is carried out safely and efficiently. The man uses a chainsaw to cut each small branch of the tree trunk, carefully controlling the fall of each branch to prevent them from landing in undesired areas. Cutting the branches into smaller sections not only ensures safety, but also makes the tree handling process easier, avoiding accidents that could happen if a large branch falls unexpectedly. This is an essential technique in tree cutting, ensuring the process is carried out safely and efficiently.
Quá khéo luôn.
The logs are being transported to the collection point, but perhaps due to the heavy load, the vehicles got stuck and were unable to move. To resolve this situation, assistance from other vehicles is needed to pull them out of the stuck position. This process requires close coordination and skill to ensure the vehicles are safely and efficiently freed, allowing the transportation work to continue smoothly.
Angka!